Yeah.
We'll be talking about comparative review of design build and design bid build construction.
Yeah. Hello. So, hello, my name is Titouan Pluscalac, and I'm here to present my literature review from my master degree. And so it is talking about design build in construction. So, okay, so I guess most of you already know those two delivery systems, but still here is a representation of the contract management in this in those delivery systems. So in the classic design build, there is two different contracts linking the owner to the design team and to the construction team, while in design build there is only one contract linking the owner to the design build entity, which regroup both design and construction capacities. So, the objective of this of my master degree is to this literature review is to synthesize the knowledge gathered from different studies on the performances of the performances of design build and compared to the design build subject, and it focuses on North America, especially after the mid 90s, where design build started to gain influence in the United States. So to do so, yeah. So to do so, like I said, I did a literature review, mainly using both Web of Science and Compendex databases. Okay, so here is a table synthesizing the results of the different studies, and we can see all the studies were empirical studies, like they gather data from already completed projects, and they do a statistical analysis of those data in order to find which delivery system performs better, and so they focuses on cost, schedule, and quality performance. Here are only represented the most common performance indicator, which are like cost growth and schedule growth and delivery speed and unit cost. We can see in this table that the cost doesn't really change. It's not cheaper to go with design build or to go with design build. It's really close. But in the delivery speed, it's quite faster to go with design build because you can start the construction before the design is totally completed. But if you look here at cost growth and schedule growth on the whole project sample represented by this study, you can find that the main advantage of the design build is on the schedule growth. Like you see, there is 8% less schedule growth with design build, and in the cost growth there is only 2% less cost growth with design build, and there is no notable difference in the quality. So you don't lose quality, and you gain speed a little. Also, some other study wanted to evaluate the effect of the delivery system in the sustainable part of project, and they use lead ranking as the main performance indicator in this case. And the conclusion were that the integration is mandatory for those projects, as well as the early involvement of the constructor. But they also conclude that design build is not the best delivery system in terms of integration. It is integrated project delivery. But still, in my study, I only compare design build to design build. So compared to design build, DB delivery system is still better in terms of integration. So it helps with sustainable project. And it's quite the same for lean construction, because it also needs a lot of integration in the project team, and still integrated project delivery is better, but design build can represent the first step before the full integration of every stakeholder in the project. And as I said before, this literature review is only the first part of my master degree, which intend to establish a conceptual framework which would help people to understand which project is suited with design build or not, depending on the facility type and the experience of the team. Because all the studies that I showed before, that I summarized before, only took the whole. They didn't take care of the kind of structure you are building, on the experience of the team and the particular characteristic of the project. So to understand which project is suited with design build or not, we established a decision framework, which is not part of this presentation, and we created a decision support tool in order to facilitate the use of this framework for people to understand which project is suited with design build or not. And so, yeah, that's what I said before. The literature actually highlight that design build, but in statistical point of view, it's perform design build, but if you look at one project particularly, some projects are really not adapted to design build. But the use of design build tends to favor the realization of sustainable project too, and it's a key step to the integration of project lean project construction. Sorry, and that's all. I'm a bit shorter than unexpected, but